I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your Cricket Wireless account, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the account closure process, make sure you have your account number, PIN, and any associated email addresses handy. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Cricket Wireless customer service at 1-800 Cricket 1-800 274 2000 538. Be ready to verify your identity by providing the information you gathered. Step 3. Request account closure. Once connected, inform the representative that you want to close your account. They may ask for a reason, so be prepared to provide one. Step 4. Confirm final bill. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Receive confirmation. After your account is closed, request a confirmation email or message. This will serve as proof that your account has been successfully closed. Closing your account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to ask the representative for help. Good luck!